You ever notice something strange? The loudest people in the room try the hardest to be seen, and still get ignored. But the quiet ones, they don't beg for attention. They don't perform. They don't try to impress anybody. Yet somehow people notice them. People respect them. People adjust their behavior around them. Why? Because quiet people carry a different kind of power, a kind you feel long before they speak. Today, you're about to learn exactly how they do it. These 9 habits don't require looks, money, or status. Just self-control and a different way of moving through the world. Habit 1. Move calmly. Quiet people don't rush. They don't panic. They don't shuffle around like they're scared of being late to life. They walk slower. They speak slower. They react slower. And that calmness sends a message. I'm not in survival mode. I'm in control. When your movements are steady and intentional, people feel your presence more deeply. Because rushed energy feels weak, controlled energy feels powerful. Habit 2. Use clean eye contact. They look right at you, not aggressively, not awkwardly, but with a simple, I see you presence. Then they look away first. Not out of insecurity, but because they're not fighting you for dominance. Quiet people use eye contact like a tool, not a performance. It shows confidence, without screaming for attention. Habit 3. Talk less. Quiet people don't talk to fill silence. They don't force conversations. When they speak, it's clean, simple, and direct. No fluff, no over-explaining, no trying to convince people to like them. And because they talk less, every word hits harder. Habit 4. Keep still, body language. Quiet people have this rare stillness. No fidgeting, no restless hands. Their posture is solid, their movements are smooth, their expressions are calm. This kind of physical discipline makes people trust you instantly, because someone who controls their body usually controls their mind too. Habit 5. Observe first. Quiet people don't just hear, they observe. They pick up tone. They notice what people avoid saying. They catch details. Loud people miss completely. By the time they respond, they already understand the situation better than everyone else. Their silence is not emptiness. It's data collection. Habit 6. Stay emotionally cool. Someone insults them, they don't flinch. Someone raises their voice, they stay calm. Quiet people don't let others control their emotional temperature, and nothing intimidates people more than someone who simply refuses to be thrown off balance. Habit 7. Stop trying to impress. This one is huge. Quiet people don't brag. They don't show off. They don't try to look cool. When you're not trying to impress, you become impressive. When you don't need attention, you get it naturally. Quiet confidence is rare, and people respect what's rare. Habit 8. Protect your energy. Quiet people don't let everyone have access to them. They choose their people carefully. They choose who they respond to. They choose where they spend emotional energy. They don't chase conversations. They don't force friendships. They don't entertain drama. And because they're selective, their presence becomes valuable. Habit 9. Let silence be a boundary. Quiet people don't need to say, don't disrespect me. Don't talk down to me. Their silence, posture, and presence say it already. They give off a vibe that says, I don't tolerate nonsense. I don't play ego games. Their silence feels like a wall, not cold, not rude, but strong. And people instantly adjust their behavior around that strength. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people talk too much, move too fast, and react too easily. And that's why they never get the respect they want. Quiet people win not because they're silent, but because their silence is backed by discipline, self-control, and inner power. Build these 9 habits, and people will start treating you differently. You won't have to demand respect. You won't have to beg for it. You'll earn it without saying a single word. Start today. Become the calm presence people never forget. If you want more brutally honest videos like this, you already know what to do.